Yo, check out what happened last time, guys.
Yeah, nobody said content creating was easy. And the spot that I went to down the street by the furniture store that I always go to, they're remodeling. It's blocked off. The spot I just went to in the alley, where it's like double-sided, they put a big fat trash can in there. So that's blocked off. So this is really my only choice. Oh, and I went by the movie theater, the AMC, and they have that blocked off. I gotta do what I can do, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, peace and love, guys. Back with another video. As you can see, we have the Jordan Off-White, the Euro exclusive. They just called this one the white on white or the triple white, even though it's not completely white. I have it finally. As you can see, this is not the box from the 10 collection. This is a box just from an Off-White. That's why the top was kind of cut out, and I kind of like that design. It's something different. When I first got these and I unboxed them on the IG Live, I wasn't that excited because essentially it's just a white shoe. They come wrapped in plastic. And I always like how all the Off-One collabs are packaged. The presentation's always something different. They keep it fresh, they keep mixing it up. But like I was saying, I wasn't that impressed. I mean, just look at it. It's okay, and it's fresh. I don't know, maybe it's because it's like fall still or wintertime. I just don't know. It just doesn't blow me away like I've been blown away by, like, you know, the Mochas and the University Blues. But these had their place. They actually came out in 2018, I believe, back in March. And they did release on sneakers and like some kind of Paris thing. I don't know. They were limited. And I think it was a good idea to make these limited because they're just not that striking like the other two. The Carolina blue ones are nice. And I think the Chicago is the best. But these just kind of, I don't know. I thought the purple laces would make these a little better, but more on that a little later. I don't know if that is glue or I don't know what that is right there, but I don't really care because I don't wear these flappy and loose. That's kind of like a Nailman Kicks kind of thing. That's not really me, but I don't. Okay, on that side it's not there, so that's fair. But anyways, and they're also, the shoe again, it's not totally 100% white. It's like a off bluish, light bluish color as well. Okay, I had to interrupt myself real quick while editing this and show you guys what the purple laces look like. I did not go with the purple laces in the final on foot, but this is what I had. And I was about to take off with these on. I was just like, nah. Like, the midsole is off-white or sail, whatever you want to call it, and the actual bottom is white. And to me, I don't know why they did that. It's going to get super dirty, but who cares? So there's the orange laces. There was actually black laces. I didn't know that until I took that cardboard out. And there's also another pair of the bluish whitest laces, not the ones that are already laced up. They're kind of like off blue, if you want to, or blue tint, if you want to call them that. I don't know. But I don't know. I'm just not blown away by them. But I do like the gift. I do like the shoe. I'm sure these will go good with like some khakis or something like that. And, you know, to give them some points, they checked out 100% on the black light. Like, I don't see anything. There's no stitching, you know, to be recognized. And the people that gave me this shoe, that gifted me this lovely shoe, everything I get from them is pretty much really, really nice, really nice quality. So I definitely appreciate that. But look, I mean, you guys can be the judge yourselves. Like, there's nothing on this shoe. There's no blowouts. There's no stamps for all you stamp guys out there. I mean, I don't know what we're looking for here, but there's nothing. So I'm going to try to throw these on and get it on feet real quick. And we'll go from there. All right, got the bag. Drone inside. Yo, peace and love, guys. I'm going to try to find a spot to do it on feet. This is supposed to be my day of rest, you know what I'm saying? Quick on feet, and I'm going to enjoy the rest of my Sunday. God bless you. Let's get on the road here. If you haven't already, go ahead and thumbs up the video so we can get rocking. Dang. See what I'm saying? They shut your boy down. Dang, man. Why they got to do me like that? Yo, peace and love. So, as you saw, old theater shut down. I'm at Tinseltown. I've been going to this movie theater for years. I love this place. It is sad to see
it is deserted like this. I'd never thought this would happen. They just got the new seats up in there too. You know what I'm saying? I love this place. I actually went and watched Infinity Wars, the second one, Endgame, by myself. First time I ever watched a movie by myself. It's kind of the best movie experience I ever had. It was like me and this one other lady, and we both stuck around to the end of the movie to see if there was like a little Easter egg, and there wasn't. I left first. She hung around. I'm gonna try to get something done here. I'm not gonna try to make this a spot. They'll probably lock this up too. But let me go ahead and get started so I can get up out of here. Hello? Anybody home in there? Anybody? That's crazy, bro. Yeah, man, it is what it is. I don't know the last time this was open, but man, so many memories here, man. Popcorn's aight, but so many memories here, but dang. It looks like they just shut everything down on the 27th, it says.
27th of what?
Of November. Friday.
Oh, that's when they shut down.
Yeah, that's what it says. Pre-government mandate will be closed effective Friday, 27/20.
It doesn't make any sense. If we wear masks and they space the seating apart, there's a lot of seating.
Right.
It doesn't make sense.
Doesn't make sense. People want to sit down and watch a movie, man, not at home.
And up in Woodland Park, they're showing old movies,
Yeah.
which you can see on TV for free.
Yeah.
Denzel Washington is a great actor, but his son is not. Well, they
Yeah.
played it for like a month.
Yeah.
Why don't they just put on here closed?
Yeah, that guy was pretty cool, man. That always happens. He was confused that there's no movies, so I'm just gonna get back to what I was doing. I didn't know what he was doing. I'm like, man, can I live? Can I just make a video real quick? Still got good people out there, guys. He didn't have a mask on, but we still got good people out there. Crazy because Buddy's still over here. Let me tell you guys what, man, y'all must like those University Blue Jordan 1s, boy. Like, that video is killing it. Appreciate it, for real, for real. Buddy's still over there. I guess he's waiting for me to see what I'm really gonna do. You don't know I'm about to get that drone back up. It's funny we're sitting here actually talking about movies and making movies and stuff like that. And I'm kind of making a movie right now, you know? He's probably over there looking at me like, this dude's pointing the camera to himself. Like, he's still there. Oh, he's backing up out. Oh, he's rolling out. There goes my audience. That's all I got, guys. It's Sunday. I need to go home. I'm freezing. I'm beyond the point of just being cold. Like, the shoes, purple laces had to go. They better not be coming for me. But let me show you what these look like actually on feet, looking down real quick. Real quick, just looking down. See? Joints is fire, man. Them laces set it off right. Let me give you a little bit more. There we go. Rope lace supply, boy. We got double cameras here. Double cameras. That's how you do it. Get you 2 cameras. Get a G7X. You'll love it. I'm like double vlogging right now. It's kind of crazy. All right, I'm done. Wait a minute, something's missing. G7X, backpack, wallet. Oh, my phone. Hold up. Wait a minute. Woo! I'd have been an unhappy camper, boy, I tell you.